Hi, welcome to Brookdale West University.
I'm Elkie. Let's have some fun and look around.
We would like to welcome you to Brookdale West University.
Hi, I'm Kim Shaver, and I'm the Executive Director here at Brookdale West University. I'd like to take a moment just to give you a couple examples of what attracts people to our community. First of all, I think it's the longevity of our team and associates. Our associates have been here many over 10 years. I myself have had the privilege of serving as Executive Director for over 13 years. I want to say it's the dedication of our team to our residents that makes us feel like home and helps welcome new residents to our growing community every day. Now that you've met our team, I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about dining services. Our chef Jose has been at the community for over 12 years and last year was honored with Tala's Chef of the Year award. Jose's sincerity and commitment shine through in every meal he and his team prepare for our residents. So let me take a moment and give you a taste of what West U is all about. One thing that is unique and different about Brookdale West University is our Dinner and Laughs event. This is a quarterly fundraising event for the Alzheimer's Association. We started this event in 2016 and it's evolved and been embraced by our associates, residents, families, and friends. We are ranked top 5 amongst all of Brookdale's national fundraising teams, something we are very proud of. We have one final event this year, and we are on track to exceed $10,000 in donations. Another charity we support is the Periwinkle Foundation. Our residents have given their time and money to this foundation for over 18 years. During this time, they have donated over $110,000, which has sent over 100 children to Camp Periwinkle. One way we celebrate life here at Brookdale West University is through our yearly resident cruise. It's a bucket list item for many of our residents that we get to help fulfill. So this will be our 5th cruise, February 2025, and we're going to Key West in the Bahamas.
Hi, I'm Mercedes, manager of Brookdale at Home. Brookdale at Home is our personalized resident concierge service. Our community is one of the few selected communities to offer this program. Our services include, but not limited to, running errands, pet care, transportation services, unpacking and home organization, and any other personal care needs that we may support you with. Our office is located here in the community. We hope to hear from you soon.
Thank you for visiting Brookdale West University. I hope we made a lasting first impression on you.